Omo, yesterday Portable dey see things during his boxing match with Charles Okocha. No be small thing happen for ring yesterday. For the record, Charles Okocha has won Portable in their rematch fight. How this battle happen na something wey and even me sef I no fit explain wetin Portable see. Fight start, then begin dey throw punch. Portable grab Charles. Omo, Portable forget say whether na boxing him dey do. Him put Charles Okocha leg for back, whether na shawolin him fit say dey fight. Him carry Charles, he hit am for ground. Then separate them, continue fight again. Portable run comot for ring, say he don win. Say he don win. I don't know whether they even explain how this fight be for Portable. Portable begin dey see things. Portable run comot for ring. They begin dey beg Baba. Baba enter ring back. Baba no gree, say he don win. Make dem give am him money, make dem give am him belt. So fight take finish. So Charles take new fight. Hey, these people wey dey host this fight, I don't know. They know they explain the rules of boxing to these people. Portable knows Portable is a total. Many no bring Portable. Portable is too unstable. See dignitaries wey come out to come watch boxing yesterday. Fight no even reach 30 seconds. Portable raw. What an embarrassing fight. We couldn't see how the fight went down, I beg.